I'm here in Freeze, where you can see behind me the new river is completely flooded. Residents say this is normally water that you could walk through and even see through, and now it's 15 feet higher than normal, and that this is some of the worst flooding Freeze has seen in decades.
Well, since you're watching this, it looks like we caught a few fish. It was a beautiful day here on the new river. A little bit bittersweet. We hadn't been up here in about a month, and about 2 weeks ago, Helene hit, and this river got up. I believe it crested at 24 foot, so it was about 20 foot higher than normal. It went from we was up here the Sunday before Helene hit, and it was about 1,000 cubic feet per second flow rate. That by the next Sunday, it was 108,000 cubic feet per second. I'm going to try to turn. I don't know that you can see the tree line here, but if you look at the tree line, you can see about how far the water come up. I mean, it's a good 15 feet above my head right here where I'm at. So, like I said, it was a pretty bad flood here. The dam that's right downstream here, I don't know how tall it is, but the water depth is normally at the bottom third of it, like very low, and the water was over halfway up the height of the dam of pontoons and campers going over the dam. So like I said, it was a pretty rough storm that, you know, all these flood waters caused this water to go up that far. Washed it all out.
Oh gosh. Well, I got it good. I went the way.
Walk down a little bit.
No,
Oh, it's a hell of a deeper right here.
yeah, I went the same way and I got through easier. Oh gosh.
Do what? I guess. Look how much sand it piled up right there. on the beach. Muskie. About a 3-foot long muskie. God, that was a big one. Nolan. You behind me? You about ready for a snack, Nolan Ray? Huh? You about ready for a snacky snack? I'm gonna pull up on that rock. Look at all that garbage right there. There's a whole ass rim, ain't it? Yeah. There's a little bit of a ledge there. I need to go that way. See where the white goes through? Go that way. Go right through there. Yeah, we're gonna pull up over here. Nolan, over here. Right here. Come over here. Look, there's a swimming. I see there's a little kid swimming up there. Yeah, that's what I was saying. There's a swimmy up there.
Oh, it's cold.
Is it toad? Holy balls! Kids puddle jumper up there.
And then there's another one.
A kid's what?
Puddle jumper.
I know it's all water.
Nolan, load up. Nolan, do not go past those rapids until we're all going past the rapids. Okay? All right, go ahead and load up. That's one. Finally, thank God there's fish in here. Yep. Look at that. Right out there. He just picked it up and started swimming with it. You got him? Let me get your picture.
Ow.
Here. Look at me. There he goes. Fish this hole right here pretty good. I said fish this hole right in here pretty good. Why are you constantly getting hung up? Oh, I've got a damn good one. I don't have my damn net.
Oh my gosh! It's an actual big one. Daddy, is it big?
Yeah.
Oh my!
Big, I mean, it's okay, I guess. I mean, it ain't.
It's a bag.
There you go, buddy. Shoo. Come up here. Here, Nolan. What? Nolan. There you go. I can't get a picture of it. Do what? I know. Just try to get it in the water real quick and I'll see what I can do. Here. Here, hurry.
Oh, it's staying. Sorry.
What? What? No. I'm gonna go back up. Y'all come on. Because there's not gonna be good fishing after this. Told you I wasn't ready. Lester, I got one. Damn! It's a good one. Yep. Oh, that's a good one. Look at that. Smallmouth. Nolan, come up this way. There we go. There's another one. 15-inch smallmouth. That was a good one. We gotta go back up to the rapids and come back down. This is way too good of fishing to float down further. Oh, I just missed one. I don't remember there being that much sand right there. Come here, Nolan. Come on. sucker in. You got it? Reel that sucker in for me. Here, tighten it. Look at that. It's a fatty. Look at that fat one, Nolan. Here. Grab your fish. You got it? You got it? Oh, hold on. Alright. Oops, sorry, buddy. Let's look at you. Look how fat he is, Nolan.
Yeah, they're all fat today.
Look at me.
They've been feeding up.
Alright, right here. Let's release him nice and slow right here. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on.
Is his
Okay.
mouth sloppy too? Yeah, past the spot to feeling down.
Yeah, look, we're gonna go right past, not over the rapid yet though. There's a little spot right here,
I fished over
right here, right past the shallow. I've caught fish in there.
I know, that's not mine.
Like, ah, that sucks. All right, rod's up and go over.
I'm going down.
Yeah, because we ain't gonna be able to hold this. You gotta be shitting me. Oh gosh.
I'm going down this way.
Fish. Go straight, Nolan. You need to turn. Get straight. You good, Nolan? We'll probably catch some right here where the rapid ends. Come on, Nolan, right?
Yeah, it's deep. Crap. It's probably 20 foot, you think?
No.
15?
Probably can.
It's in the bottom.
It's still flowing whether you know it is or not. Holy crap. Yeah, that one's up in the tree, see it? Yeah, I was throwing the Ned as soon as we went over the rapid to go to the honey hole. Started hitting.
Hell yeah.
The old boy, he ain't got a ramp left.
Matthew?
No,
Oh yeah.
Edwards.